Ever been right in the middle of editing a masterpiece in Photoshop, only to be slapped with that infuriating "couldn't complete your request" error? Yeah, it's the worst, but don't worry, because today, we're diving deep into solving this editing roadblock now. This error message is like an umbrella for a bunch of problems, so we'll go through them one by one. First, check your system resources. Photoshop hogs a lot of power if your RAM is maxed out or your scratch disk is full. This could lead to you getting the error. Make sure you close unnecessary apps, clean up your scratch disk, and free that memory. If your computer lacks RAM, you may need to increase it. Some solutions include increasing RAM or upgrading your storage. Next, scrutinize the file itself. Corruption can really mess things up. Try copying the file's contents into a new one. If that works, great, but if not, the original file might be the problem, and it might be unrecoverable. Sometimes large files are causing the issue, so converting to a smaller file size might fix the problem as well. Photoshop has a lot of preferences. Sometimes adjusting these preferences can lead to a better workflow. Navigate to Edit, then Preferences, then select Performance. Allocate more RAM to Photoshop. If available, go into scratch disks and make sure you have enough free space there. With multiple scratch disks, reboot your computer and Photoshop after making changes and check performance. Finally, update. Make sure your Photoshop version is current. Adobe regularly addresses bugs and updates. Check for updates through the Creative Cloud app. If you've tried all these steps and you're still getting the error, you're probably facing more of a hardware problem. Time to upgrade.